What's up? How you doing? Now we're not in an actual dance floor per se. Any place there's a surface that you can turn or move on, find a place to dance. That's what we're doing. Miss Fingers, Miss Stephanie by my side. I'm going to show you something, a brand new move of the week, never shown before. And actually, this is Miss Stephanie. Her favorite move is called Drape. See the look on her face? This is Drape 2.0. So I'll put a link to Drape in that so you can see how much she enjoys doing it. But this is Drape 2.0. It's easier to do this direction. We'll show it to you and then break it down. So sugar push, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8, 9 and 10. I think she likes this one more than Drape. I'm just kidding. She really does like the other Drape, but she doesn't. She really doesn't. How you do this? A very simple way to begin is on a sugar push leaders. After you finish the triple to 5 and 6, 3 and 4, switch hands in a right to right hand change. You can get into that any other way you want and be more fancy if you want. This is just a simple way for the video. Right to right. So sugar push, 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6. Pull her towards you on 1, 2, 3 and drape the arms that are connected over her head. So 1, 2, 3 and. Put on 4. I'm going to step forward onto my left foot, turning her a little bit to her right for 4. And I do that by pushing into the middle of her upper back. So we're going to go this way so you can see how I do that. So on a sugar push, I'm going to switch hands. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. So I'm just compressing right here, my elbow, my forearm, just giving her a little push. Now guys, you're going to be draping your arm over her head. If you don't know her, she may be a little apprehensive. What are you doing?
Watch the hair.
Watch the hair. Don't mess the hair up. But that's the key. So drape it over the head. So go in this direction just so you can see that hand change. And then how I move. It may not be as easy to see, but still 1, 2, 3, and 4. I move a little bit over my left because of what's coming up. So we're going to go this way so you can see the next part. So switching hands on 5 and 6. We're going to get to 4 and stop. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. Turn her to her right. Keep your arm up high for 5 and. So I got her elbow, shoulder hooked here. I'm still fingers, palms to palm almost on 5 and I'm going to pull up onto her other foot, which is her foot I want her to turn on for the 6 count. So it does rely on the drape, turn the wrist over, make sure that connection is secure. 3 and 4, 5 and 6. So 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and. Bring her up onto her left foot on 6, which is my right foot. So we'll go this direction. You may not see it as well, but you can see what I'm doing. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Right to right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So I'm off the track to her right, pulling her up onto her left foot. Because that hook back there is the only thing I'm using to finish the move. So the rest of the move, she's going to come back right where she started. 3 and 4. Right to right. 1, 2, 3 and 4. 5 and 6, bring the arm down, make her turn to her left, triple leg overhand, give her a little push in the middle of her back to put her back where she was. You gotta let go, and then do a little wrist turn, switch back to where she was, okay? Front to back, sugar push, 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, so 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, turn her left, switch hands, this way. Hope you like it. I just stepped on her foot, I'm not that good. 4, 5 and 6, so 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, turn her left. Now we're going to go the other direction. You may not see her very well, but I'm going to try and stay a little bit over to my left so you can see what I'm doing with my hand. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, so switch hands. Right here, turn left, give her that little push. Voila. Alright, hope you like it. It's her favorite drape move. The other drape, this drape
Great,
I think she
love
likes. I think I get paid her to say that anyway. So hope you like it, guys. Give us a thumbs up. That's free to do. Subscribe to our channel. That's free to do. Our goal is to make you a better dancer. That's free for you. So until next time, have a great week. And as always,
keep dancing.
that's what she said.